Welcome back to another episode of The Grill Warrior with your host, David Shackett.
Hey guys, it's David from The Grill Warrior. Welcome back to another episode of cooking a turkey on the big green egg. This is actually a large big green egg. I've got it going at 275 degrees, and I've cooked this turkey for about 3 hours. I believe we are at a 171 degrees on internal temperature. Perfect time to take it off so it doesn't start drying out. And I want to open this up for the first time and let you see what it looks like. I got to burp it a little bit. Don't want the thing to blow my eyebrows off. That's happened before. So here we go, folks. Look at that. Amazing. Very, let's see if I can get this thing going here. There we go. How's that? Does it look amazing? If I can control this. So we're going to be shutting down the big green egg here. And it's a wonderful thing. Let's come down here. Take that off. She's finished cooking. This is basically how you shut it down. Put the damper on there. And you wanna put this extra piece that comes with it on top to choke it down to save your extra fuel. It will stop it. No oxygen, no fire. So look at the color on that. It's totally amazing. $0.59 turkey, Kroger. About 3 hours, 275 degrees. Oh yeah, tender, tender, tender. Can't wait to dig in tonight for dinner. Very nice. Oh, we have to shut this up here. I'm gonna go get a pan. But anyway, be sure to like, thumbs up there, and subscribe for my newest videos coming out. Now that the temperature is breaking, I can actually do some videos without getting overheated and getting sick. Unfortunately, I do get sick real fast when I get overheated. So I'm going to be doing that real soon. Thank you and take care. Grill Warrior out.